Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The Best Boomerang Kids Guide is probably one of the most insightful resources for parents and young adults navigating this increasingly common living arrangement. We will explore the multifaceted reasons behind this trend, from economic pressures and educational pursuits to evolving family dynamics and cultural shifts. We'll delve into the potential challenges and rewards of having adult children back home, offering practical advice and strategies for creating a harmonious and sustainable living situation for everyone involved. This video will provide you with a comprehensive understanding of the Boomerang Kid phenomenon, empowering you to make informed decisions and navigate this unique family dynamic with grace and resilience. Number 5. Refresh Sports Boomerang. It's back and better than ever. This isn't your average boomerang, it's designed for easy use and endless fun. Made from durable, high-quality EVA foam, it's strong, lightweight, and safe for kids. It's also water-resistant and won't hurt your fingers when you catch it. It's designed for beginners. Its stable flight and comfortable grip make throwing and catching a breeze, even for younger children. It's a fun and active gift that kids of all ages will love. It's lightweight, safe, and encourages outdoor play. Take it to the beach, pool, or backyard for hours of exciting play. It even floats. We're a Canadian company dedicated to your satisfaction. Enjoy our friendly support and dependable service. What we like? It's made of a special, durable foam that's also soft and won't hurt your fingers. This makes it perfect for beginners and ensures it can withstand lots of use. If you are looking for a safe and durable boomerang for kids, this is the one for you. What people say? It's lightweight, soft, and simple to use. He has truly enjoyed it and has been playing with it a lot. Very fun toy. Light, soft, and durable, perfect for his age. In addition, the material is really safe. I'm not afraid that it will get hurt when fishing. We play both by the pool and in the garden, because the boomerang floats and does not lose its shape. Number 4. Dinorang Blue Boomerang. Introducing the Dinorang Blue Boomerang, perfect for beginners of all ages. Its lightweight design makes it easy to throw and catch, ensuring a fun and successful experience. It's made from soft, safe materials, so it's gentle on little hands and won't cause any harm. Enjoy worry-free boomerang fun for everyone. This boomerang is light enough for even the gentlest throw to achieve a successful return. You'll be amazed at how easily it comes back. We've included easy-to-follow illustrated instructions to help you master the art of boomerang throwing. It's simple to learn and fun to master. From Colorado Boomerangs, the leader in boomerangs, this is a quality product you can trust. Get ready for hours of outdoor fun. Grab your Dinorang Blue Boomerang and get ready for some exciting outdoor fun. It's the perfect way to enjoy some active play. What we like? It's lightweight and easy to throw, making it ideal for kids and adults new to boomerangs. The soft material ensures safe play. If you're a beginner or want something gentle for younger children, this is a great option. What people say? Bought this for our 5-year-old grandson. There's a learning curve to using it. But he was mastering it by the end of the week. We found this boomerang easy to use. All my family members, aged 10 to 53, were able to get the hang of it very quickly, and it doesn't travel too far in one throw so it doesn't get lost in trees before returning. It does fly far and comes back. And it doesn't hurt anything if it hits it. Number 3. Polypropylene Boomerangs for Kids. Looking for a fun and active toy for your child? This boomerang is perfect for kids aged 5 to 14, providing hours of outdoor fun and excitement. It's easy to throw and will keep them entertained for hours. It features a real aerodynamic design, ensuring accurate and impressive flights. Watch it soar through the air and return to your hand with precision. It's designed for optimal flight performance. Made from sturdy polypropylene, it's built to withstand countless throws and impacts. This durable material ensures it can handle the energetic play of kids, lasting through many outdoor adventures. Its design makes it incredibly easy for kids to throw and master. Even beginners will quickly learn to throw it accurately and enjoy the thrill of watching it return. It's designed for simple and intuitive use. This high-quality boomerang is proudly made in Australia, using premium materials and manufacturing processes. You can trust in its quality and durability for many years of fun. Get ready for hours of fun and excitement with this fantastic boomerang. It's the perfect gift for birthdays, holidays, or any special occasion. It's a great way to encourage outdoor play and develop hand-eye coordination. What we like. This boomerang is designed for accurate flight and is made from sturdy material. It's a great choice for kids who want a real boomerang experience. If you want a boomerang that flies well and lasts, this is a good choice. What people say. This is a nice sturdy boomerang. I have no experience throwing one, but after reading the instructions and giving it a few tries we were able to get it to come back. Our 8-year-old was able to read the directions and get this boomerang to return to him within 5 throws. This boomerang works well once you figure out how to throw it. My 10-year-old son has had lots of fun with it, but you need to really be able to give it a good whip. Number 2. NUTTY Toys Silver Drone. It's the future of fun. This hand-operated drone is easy for kids and adults to use. Just shake it to start and enjoy hours of exciting play, indoors or outdoors. Made from flexible materials, it's built to last. Its cushioned design is safe for everyone, and it's lightweight and easy to catch. It's a drone and a boomerang in one. Throw it up, and watch it gracefully return. Or, send it flying to a friend for interactive fun. With embedded LED lights, it puts on a dazzling show. Watch it soar through the air, especially magical in low light. Quick USB charging means you'll always be ready for more fun. Its energy-efficient design provides long playtime, and is environmentally friendly. What we like. It's a hand-operated drone that's super easy to start and fly, and it lights up. It's like a boomerang and a drone in one. If you want something fun and high-tech, this is a great choice for kids who love gadgets. What people say. It's rechargeable and has been pretty strong so far. It's banged into walls and crashed to the floor a lot and just keeps on going. The battery charges rapidly and lasts a long time. It is very durable despite being made of plastic. It functions flawlessly. Simple twist of the wrist gets it to turn on and a twist of the wrist gets it to turn off. This drone for youngsters is a blast to play with, but as the instructions say, it will not handle much of a breeze outdoors. So you have to be careful indoors and have a lot of open space if you can manage it. The drone is very colorful and exceeded my expectations in that regard. It has a lot of different cyclical patterns of color created by spinning LEDs. Number 1. Yellow Spin Racer Boomerang. It's the perfect boomerang for young people starting their boomerang journey. Its design makes it easy to throw and catch, ensuring hours of fun. This boomerang is specifically designed for right-handed users, ensuring optimal flight and easy retrieval. It's made from durable plastic to withstand enthusiastic play. It's built to last. The durable plastic construction can handle plenty of throws, making it a great investment for kids aged 8 and up. We've included easy-to-follow instructions to get you started. Plus, access to an online video tutorial makes learning even simpler. It's a fantastic beginner boomerang from a company that truly knows boomerangs. Get ready for hours of outdoor fun. Grab your Yellow Spin Racer Boomerang and get ready to experience the thrill of flight. It's more than just a toy, it's an adventure. What we like. It's designed to be easy for kids to throw and is made from durable plastic. It comes with instructions to help you learn. If you want a simple, fun boomerang for younger children, this is a good option. What people say. Great little boomerang. Easy to learn, lightweight, returns well if not too windy. Goes great heights. With a little practice, you can make it work to come back to you. Bright colors. Good quality plastic. Design print is clear. This was pretty easy for kids to use and it came back around quite easy when thrown at an angle. Wind makes it even better. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.